What motivates you? What drives your behavior and influences your decisions about what you want to spend your time doing? Are there activities where you really get into it and look forward to doing them? Are there others where you simply just do it to get it done, like doing the dishes? Well, today we're talking about motivation here on Learning the Social Sciences. Psychologists look at what drives people to do certain activities. They research why one person is so driven to do one activity while others find no interest in it. They also want to see if there's a secret behind why some people spend hours each day playing chess while others play it occasionally or never at all. When one is motivated by outside forces, they are experiencing extrinsic motivation. That's that motivation that comes in when you have to do the dishes. If at another time they are driven from within, then they are intrinsically motivated, the person that spends hours playing chess. Both of these types of motivation have an impact on how we pursue goals and approach tasks. Let's look more extensively to better understand both terms. We are extrinsically motivated when we do something because we hope to be rewarded or we simply do not want to be punished. You complete the task simply because you want to get something for it or to escape unpleasantries. Extrinsic motivation is not a negative form of motivation, as it can help us to accomplish many necessary tasks in life, like doing the laundry or doing our homework. It can also help us try new things that may motivate us intrinsically down the road, like learning a musical instrument in middle school may have been for a grade originally, but then it turned into a lifelong passion. Intrinsic motivation happens when we engage in an activity because we find it to be rewarding. If we love to sing and spend hours each week improving our voice and learning new songs, we do it simply because we enjoy it, not because anyone has told us to do it. Learning a new language because you love to travel and want to be able to communicate better while visiting another country is also an example of intrinsic motivation. Psychologists have found that if one is continually given extrinsic rewards, though, for something that they are intrinsically motivated to do, then their intrinsic motivation diminishes over time. This is known as the overjustification effect. For example, if a student loves to practice playing guitar, but after every week's lessons, their parents reward them with ice cream and just keep going, like, good job, so happy that you're continuing with this. Well, then their motivation may start to change. In 2008, a study was conducted where they rewarded children for playing with their favorite toy. Over time, they became less interested in that toy because of that external reward. Researchers have also found that praise can increase internal motivation as it is not viewed as a reward. However, with everything, there's limits, and too much unwarranted praise is also not helpful. Some psychologists have stated that giving gold stars or stickers on homework or tests in elementary school can assist as motivators that move a student towards intrinsic motivation as long as it is done within reason and it does not become an expected reward from the teacher. If the sticker makes the student feel more competent after having completed a task, then their enjoyment of the task may increase and assist them down the road. So, this has been a short lesson on intrinsic and extrinsic motivation. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and always remember to like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.